Here's 3 spatial secrets you can steal from the Weeknd's favourite producer, Illangelo, to craft immersive mixes. If you're working with a mono sample, an easy way to create a stereo effect is to duplicate the sound and pan one copy left and the other right. Since they're identical copies, they'll still produce the mono sound, so we need to introduce some differences between the two. You can experiment with timing, but a simple and effective method is to change the pitch of one of the samples in Sense. This method is a better option than using an imager plugin, as it's more natural, provides a richer stereo image, and has less phase issues. If you've already got stereo sounds, this tip will take them to the next level. Illangelo is known for adding texture to his records. Just listen to tracks like Alone Again or After Hours to hear what I mean. Rather than simply layering vinyl crackle, bleeps and other Foley textures, Illangelo introduces stereo movement by automating sounds from mono to stereo every bar using plugins like Box. He pairs this with a 6 decibel volume increase to further enhance the effect. This technique not only adds contrast, but also creates a sense of motion and progression in an otherwise static sound. Illangelo applies the same process to Abel's vocals as illustrated in this screenshot, showing the panning of the background harmonies in Crew Love. Automation is a staple in Illangelo's production, ensuring constant movement and plenty of ear candy elements to keep listeners engaged. To emulate this technique, you can automate the pan pot in your DAW, but I recommend using a free plugin like Dear VR Micro. This plugin provides more control over the positioning of audio in the stereo field, yielding a richer level of immersion. To enhance all of these techniques, check out this video to learn a simple reverb trick for 3D mixes from Grammy award-winning engineer Luca Pretelese. Thank you for watching.